Hi, our team is formed by Cecilia Bojorquez, Kevin Cervantes, Jared Manriquez, Ricardo Garcia, and Juliana Barragan. And we are going to present you Market Equilibrium.
Market equilibrium. Market equilibrium refers to a price at which both parties, producers and consumers, are agreed to exchange. When both producers and consumers interact with each in the market, both try to react differently. Consumers like to demand more at lower prices, but producers look forward to supplying more at higher prices.
Market equilibrium is a point of which producers are agreed to supply the exact amount of quantity that consumers demand and left no excess supply of excess demand.
This is the formula we are going to use, and it's the slope of demand curve equals to the change in price divided by the change in quantity demanded, and it equals triangle P divided by triangle Q, and it's less than 0. And we have another formula, and it's more than 0.
I'm going to explain you, and in this case I'm going to use apples as an example. This table represents the demand. Vertical means price per pound, $1 per pound, $2 per pound, so on and so on. And horizontal means quantity in thousands. 1,000 apples, 2,000 apples, so on and so on. If the price of apples are really high, let's pretend in this case it's going to be $5, the demand is going to be lower because nobody is going to want to buy apples at that price. But if the price were lower, the demand is going to be higher. So people are going to start buying apples again. So at $5, the demand is lower, so the consumer is going to lose. And if I lower the demand, the consumer is going to lose. So we have to find a price that both parties, consumer and producers, both win. And we can't go over the point of equilibrium. So what we're going to do here is going to find a price of apples that will benefit the consumer and the producer. So let's say it's going to be $1.95. $1.95. And if you can see, it doesn't go over the top. And that price is going to be the quantity supply that equals the quantity of demand. So $1.95 is going to be the cost of our apples that we're going to have. We're not going to have loss of product, and we're going to have happy consumers. And this is the price.
So we have here our two equations. One is demand and the other one is supply. And we're going to put them together and do the equation. This is how we're going to solve it. And our price is 20. So we're going to replace it in both equations. This is the first one, 100 less price, and replace it, and our quantity is 80. To be sure of our result, we're going to do it in the second one, the second equation in supply, and we have 40 plus 2 the price, 40 plus 2, and we replace it in our price is 20, and our result is going to be 80.